Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm really excited because I'm going on a weekend getaway जिसको कहेंगे. So I really need that. अभी last month काफ़ी hectic था, so I thought I should definitely give myself a little bit of break. तो मैं होटल जाने का सोची थी. like I'm gonna chill, relax, swim and do like nothing basically. तो हो सकता है कि shooting में भी I might not be that much this thing proactive. मुझे वैसे भी बाहर में outside shoot करना उतना comfortable नहीं होता. But still I thought like I'll give a little bit of snippet of the things that I'm doing. But my main focus will be chilling and doing literally nothing. So packing हो गई. I've just packed this one small suitcase with my little essentials. और already I'm ready. Hair also I'm like leaving like that only anyways. अगर मैं क्लोरीन वाले पानी में गई तो ये और ड्राई होने वाला है. So I've not done anything to my hair. I'm just literally leaving them right. But one thing I really want to share with you, which I always take with me, which I'm like obsessed. This is the Aqualogica mist. Like this is vanilla one. It's like a warm hug. Like when you spray it, like I don't know, I can't explain the feeling. It's really so warm, still so fresh. And this is something that I absolutely love. So मुझे लगा I should definitely share it with you. So I've tried many mists, but this is something that lasts the longest that I've seen, 3 to 4 hours आराम से. In fact, we're gonna do a test also. Spray of this one. It's so fine. Look at this. So this mist not only has like this good fragrance, it also does have hyaluronic acid, so it will make sure कि आपकी skin dry ना हो जाए. Normally mist से हो जाता है, the alcohol might dry, but this one has hyaluronic acid which will in fact hydrate your skin. If I talk about the longevity, it's really good, but we're gonna do a test. I'm gonna bring a hanky, we're gonna spray that with this one, and we're gonna check like how long does that smell actually last. This is the hanky I literally always carry with myself, like my lucky hanky. So I'm gonna spray this one with this mist. Spray like 2-3 sprays. Let's fold it and I'm gonna keep it in my purse, and by the time I reach there it will be around 3-4 hours तो लग ही जाएंगे to reach and to sell. Okay, so it's been 3-4 hours since we reached. I'm really curious to know whether the spray that I put on this hanky, it's still there or not. Whoa, it's still smelling as if I sprayed just now. It's really long lasting. And it's really good. And in $4.99 it's just a steal deal. Use my coupon code Rachna2025 for 20% off on Aqualogica website. Also available on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa and Purple. So we just checked into the hotel. It was this big lobby and nice interiors, and it did even have swimming pool, and also it was like basically taking a relaxing wala trip where I'm just scrolling through, doing nothing, watching Netflix and swimming, and the kids having fun. That was the main motto of this particular staycation.
Dry fruit.
Ginger relaxing, chilling. Ginger looking the most fresh and relaxed.